This is my makeup look today, and there's no liquid foundation, and of course there's no liquid eyeliner. I'm just doing a simple, elegant, neutral makeup look. Before doing your makeup, especially for daily purposes, make sure you've used a lip balm and a moisturizer that suits your skin type before makeup. Dry skin is not a good idea for makeup on top of it. It doesn't look nice. So moisturizing is absolutely a must. And this will also make your powder foundation and your concealers glide on. I'm just using a little bit of a concealer for some of my dark circles and some red spots, and also as a highlighter. Now because of the moisturizing, everything will blend beautifully. I just share my daily makeup techniques. I'm not really a makeup artist, but please use products of your own choice. I use my personal makeup. Just follow the technique and get products that suit you. Now for daily purposes, I like my powder foundation. MAC Studio Fix is the best version. Just use it lightly on your face, and because you've moisturized, and even if you have dry skin, it will still look nice. But just make sure the layers are light. I always set my eyebrows with a gel so that they stay in place. If you need to draw them, that's fine, but otherwise the gel is good enough for daily purposes. Now take a neutral eyeshadow of any shade. Some kind of a brown or a peach works out, and a soft fluffy brush, and put it on your upper eyelid. Keep taking it up to your crease line, and if you have hooded eyes, then only go further up. Do blend it well. Blending well makes a big difference. And whatever is left on your brush, bring it down to your lower outer lash line. Now I'm using a black kajal on my outer lower waterline. The reason I'm using it on my outer lower waterline is because it opens up the eyes more, which I can smudge further. But if you want to bring it all the way in, go for it. Now for smudging the kajal, I'm using a flat smudge brush. This is by Color Bar. This particular brush is discontinued, but this is a commonly found brush in many brands. Just smudge out the kajal and bring it a little bit towards the inside. Now, without taking any extra product, whatever is left on your smudge brush from smudging the kajal, just line the outer upper lash line. And don't bring it all the way in, just like a shading. Complete your eye makeup with a good mascara. A good mascara also kind of lines your eyes. You see, for daily purposes, a very loud eye makeup does not look nice. Simple, elegant, light eye makeup looks more natural when it comes to daily purposes. I always fill out and line my lips with a nude lip liner before lipstick. This makes my lipstick stay longer. This is a neutral, elegant makeup look, so I'm using a darker lip liner which is neutral in shade. Use a lipstick of your choice, and we're almost done. We're going to use a little blush and we're good to go. A little blush always looks nice. It makes your face not look flat. We don't have to always contour on a daily basis. It's all a myth. Just use as much makeup as you want. Use the blush in the angle that I'm using in, and your face will look contoured. I'm in my 40s, and I've realized that as in when you age, the lesser the makeup, the better the look. So less makeup is the way to look natural. Now touch up your powder foundation wherever required. My makeup is done. I'll just spray and set it and I'm good to go. I'll see you soon with some more easy, relatable and doable looks. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel and do follow Makeover Madness. It's about what suits you on Facebook. I'll see you soon with some more easy looks. Till then, take care and stay glam.